Hi, welcome to my law channel. Today I'm talking about trespass to land. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Trespass to land simply means wrongful entry to land. It also means placing things on land, and it also means remaining on the land. What is a wrongful entry to land? For example, a land that doesn't belong to you and you just go in there, whether you have a good or right motive and your presence isn't needed and you're asked to leave, but you still remain on that land, you have trespassed. Then you say, what about remaining on the land? Yes. Even if you were given an authority to go into a land or premises to go do something, but you continue to stay there, even when your time frame within which you were supposed to carry out whatever you came there to do had expired and you failed to leave, you have trespassed. Even if you had, even if you were authorized by the law or someone to go into a particular land, then trespass by placing things on land. Building on a land that isn't yours is trespass. Placing things on a land that isn't yours is trespass. For example, throwing dustbin or refuse, waste, or water on someone else's land directly is trespass. But it isn't trespass when something mistakenly goes into somebody else's premises from your own. That is nuisance. Then you have also trespass beneath and above the surface of the land. In trespass beneath and above the surface of the land, it simply means that the space above someone's land and the depth of the soil belongs to the owner of the land or person in possession, and they can sue for trespass. Now, if, for example, someone is in possession of a land, who, and if the person is not really the owner, who can institute an action against someone for trespass? The person in possession of the land is in the right position to institute an action for trespass. For example, in the case of the landlord and the tenancy, a landlord cannot, in Nigeria for example, just be allowed to go into a premises occupied by a tenant, even if he says he wants to keep the belongings of his tenant for safe. He can't do that because he's not in possession of the land. But in a situation where you have several persons in possession of a land, the right person to sue is the owner of the land that can prove title to that land. Now, there are certain defenses to trespass to land. For example, claim of right. If you claim you have a right to enter into the land, then you are allowed. If you also claim that you were entered into the land through a legal authority, for example, a policeman, he cannot be said to have trespassed. Then trespass ab initio. If you had entered into a land with a wrong motive, right from you've trespassed from the beginning of your entry. Then I should also not forget to point out that in Nigeria, for you to quickly institute an action against someone for trespass, you must do that within a time frame